Hello everyone, come back again in Moodle Safe 3.6 e-learning, learning online. This is tutorial for lecturer or teacher or user who will use online learning Moodle as a tools for teaching. This video I would like to show the tutorial how to copy file from one course to another course. So let me explain again what is the meaning copy one course to another course. For example, I have file in the course, in this course, in Lesson 1, for example, in Unit 1, for example, this file, or this file, or this file, or this file, or this file, and then I will copy or import to another course. From this course, for example, I will copy to another course. I will copy to this course, from this course to this course, or from this course to this course, and etc. So, are you ready? Let's start to do it. So for this first time, you should log in into Moodle, and then you choose the course where the file will copy. For example, in Unit 1, I will copy this file only. You can also copy all the course to another course, but this time I will show you how to copy this file only. Okay, so this is the file is come from course 229101 Indonesian 1. Okay, I will copy to the course in Indonesian for Communication 001318 Indonesian for Communication in Unit 1 too. So we click Unit 1. The first step again is to always come back to the gear button and make sure the turn editing on. Okay, after that we choose import. We choose import part, import, and then we choose the course, that file that we will copy, that is come from 229101 Indonesian 1. So click this button and then continue. So if you want to select activities and resource, or include blocks, or you can select, because my file is activities and resource categorized, so I can delete this checklist, this checklist, this checklist, this checklist only. So only include activities and resource. But if you want to copy all, like block, filter, even include question bank, you can copy. So I just want to copy the categories of activities and resource only. Okay, so only this one. The categories is activities and resource. Activities, for example, quiz, lesson, forum, assignment, activity, resource, for example, file, and then SCORM or file or page. Yeah, it is a resource. Link. Yeah. Okay, next. So see, just only the resource and activities in here. Okay, so if you make wrong, you can back again. Yeah, you can back again, and then make sure that what is the resource that you will copy. Okay, example, I would like to copy one of these files in topic 1. I will copy this link. So because we checklist all, so choose no, so it will be easy to select, and we just select the file that we will copy. We checklist the unit first, and then we checklist this one, the file that we will copy in this course, and we just click next. Okay, there is confirmation in here. See the green checklist on this one, and then I will import to this course. Okay, import complete. Click continue to return the course. So let's see the result. So there is a new file in here. Import from another course. Usually they will come to the end of the list of files. Okay, I hope you can learn a new model. Enjoy your teaching. See you again. My name is Robertus Pujalsono. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.